Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. The Infinix Note 60 Pro Plus 5G is here. Today we've got the official trailer, a stunning 200 megapixels camera, and a slew of premium specs that make this budget beast stand out. Let's dive in. This phone rocks a 6.78 curved AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering sharp visuals and vibrant colors, even under bright sunlight. It's paired with a sleek glass-like back and slim profile, sleek looks, without the heavy weight. The Spotlight feature, a 200 megapixels main rear sensor, delivering ultra-detailed shots. This upgrade puts the Note 60 Pro Plus ahead in mobile photography. Though the sensor model isn't confirmed, expect flagship-level clarity and digital zoom flexibility. Under the hood, it's powered by either MediaTek Dimensity 7XXX or similar society, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, keeping everything running smoothly. Perfect for gaming, multitasking, and content creation. You get a solid 5000 mAh battery, plus 45W fast charging. That's about 75% juice in just 30 minutes. That's all-day power with minimal downtime, huge plus for heavy users. 5G ready and equipped with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and twin stereo speakers, ready for streaming and social. Running XOS 14 on Android 14, expect smart features like Game Booster, app cloning, and dark mode. So, what stands out to you? 200MP camera, 120Hz AMOLED, or 45W fast charging? Drop your favorites in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. We've got a full review coming soon. Thanks for watching.